everybody, it's Jennifer Carmen with Trinity Family Builders. I just wanted to take the time out today to say thank you to our friends here. We have Angela and TJ with Quality Key Realty. And if you have any customers or buyers looking for new homes, they're a great asset and tool for you to reach out to them. I will give you their information as well. And don't forget to come and stop by here at Blue Springs Reserve Community. We are in the 350s at a 4.25% interest rate with $10,000 in closing costs. You can't beat it, don't miss it. Contact me today at 407-925-8286. Thanks again, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.